All right, so we're going to add a Facebook pixel to our website. And basically, what a Facebook pixel is a smart ad. It's a piece of code that you put in the back end of your website. It keeps track of certain metrics of your website. So if a potential customer goes to a certain page, it collects that data and it helps you optimize your ad campaigns so you can better target your audience or your customer leads. So let's get started. Um, you have to create an account. So you're going to go to your personal web or Facebook page, select this arrow, and go to manage ads. I already have an account set up, so it'll take me right there. You're going to go to this left-hand drop-down menu, measure and reports to pixel. You're going to hit add new data source. And I already have a pixel installed, but a window will appear where you're going to have to enter some basic information like your website URL. Once you do that, we're going to install the pixel. So we're going to go up to partner integration, and you're just going to select what platform you're using. If you got Shopify, any of these. I'm currently using WordPress, so I'm going to select the WordPress, and then I'm going to select Connect Account. And then this is just going to kind of give you step-by-step directions on how to install it. Now, this is a zip file for a plugin to install on your WordPress site, so you're just going to hit download. So now we're going to go back to our WordPress website to the back end. We're going to go to plugin, add new, upload plugins, and then you're going to find that file that you downloaded. And right here, here's the zip file. Open, install now, activate plugin, and then it should be underneath settings. And then you can see right here, the Facebook Pixel plugin is now installed to the back end of your WordPress site. Go ahead and select that. Right here, here's the Pixel ID. If you go back to your Facebook Ads Manager, you'll see that the number corresponds to the one in your WordPress site. And you can test your Facebook Pixel by sending some traffic over to your website, and then you can view any of the data that it records in your Facebook Ad Manager. And as you can see, this number matches with this number. I'm going to hit Save Changes. And one way to test whether the pixel's live and firing on your website, you can go to, there's a free plugin called Facebook Pixel Helper. It's a free plugin that you can install on your Chrome browser. I have it right here. And you can go to your website, and there will be a little green box that will display whether your pixel is installed correctly and is firing on your website. So right here, it shows the little green circle of the checkbox, and it even shows the Pixel ID number, which we installed. So I want to measure once somebody completes a booking on my website. So I have a booking form that looks like this. Once they complete it, it'll take them to their booking information, and this page I want to track just essentially because they confirmed the whole booking. So to do that, I'm going to take the page that you want to track. I'm going to copy the URL, and I'm going to go to custom conversions, create custom conversion, and then the URL contains, I'm going to paste the URL. I'm going to name it successful bookings. The category is going to be complete registration. And the value, this is optional, but let's say the booking was $100. You could put $100 in that value, so then when you know somebody has completed that booking and see that that targeted ad was worth $100 conversion. So I'm going to hit create. So if you have any questions with how to install your Facebook Pixel, comment below and I'll try to get back to you. And that is it with installing a Facebook Pixel on your web page. Thanks for watching.